Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you beautiful people doing this morning? I hope everyone is doing fine. Well, today is such a beautiful sunny day, and who already plant is gonna be a blessing for them, because this kind of sun, the plant need them. The plant need them. So I'm just here this morning looking at the plants. You see my table looking empty because I already planting. My herbs them looking real small because I already pick from them and make fresh seasoning. So soon it's just gonna be the herbs around here, and everything else will be in the garden. The garden is looking beautiful so far, and everything is coming along nice. So just keep on following the channel, liking the video, subscribe to the channel, all the news viewers, because there will be lots of great videos coming on a regular basis. Okay guys, I hope you guys keeping up with that hot water challenge, because I'm doing it and I'm used to doing it and I'm feeling blessed. So I hope you guys keeping up with the water challenge. If you cannot do it every day, try to do it however often you can. All right, because it's important. And always remember the tips. Try to keep healthy. You don't want to get sick in this time. You want to try to be as healthy as possible. And one way to do that is try to keep your immune system going, so you could fight against many virus and other things. You know what I'm saying? So it's very important. And the giveaway date is counting down. There will be a lucky winner on that day, the 16th of April. There will be a lucky winner. I appreciate you guys, everybody who liking the videos, everybody who subscribe, everybody who comment. Thank you all so much. But there only could be one winner. I'm gonna try and always have giveaways. I'm gonna try, so just keep supporting the video, keep following the video, because I will always have giveaway on this channel. All right, so how you all doing today? Just giving updates on my herbs, just giving updates on the water challenge, just giving updates on the giveaway. So you guys have a blessed and wonderful day. And guys, don't forget to check that video with the class that I'm doing, because I really want these kids to see that people is watching and people is commenting, because I want to motivate them to really stick to it. Stick to it, learn to plant, learn to care for these plants, because it's going to benefit them in the long run. So please support